At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, September 25, 2023, Lucid preps for EV production in Saudi Arabia. Here's one key catalyst investors should keep an eye on. Shares of Lucid Motors stock inched higher today on a big announcement. The company announced it received a license to produce its vehicles in Saudi Arabia. This arrangement is in a special economic zone, and is expected to result in vehicle production in short order. Surprisingly, Lucid Motors, Nasdaq LCID, stock is little changed today despite news that the company has received a license to produce its electric vehicles in a special economic zone within Saudi Arabia. Shares did initially tick higher after the news but have still been on a downward trajectory in recent months, which appears to be weighing on the stock again today. The company's permit will allow for the production of Lucid vehicles in the King Abdullah Economic City near the Red Sea. This city is strategically important, as it's near major waterways and offers a solid location to establish a global supply chain network, but is also favorable from a tax perspective. Thus, for investors, this seems like a pretty decent bargain for a company looking to promote its luxury brand globally. It's also important to remember that Lucid previously received another $1.8 billion from Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund in June. This makes the Saudi government the majority owner of Lucid, for better or worse. Let's dive into what to make of this news today, and why the market appears to be brushing this off. Lucid stock is little moved on another Saudi announcement. One theory that has been bouncing around in my head of late is that maybe US investors just simply don't want to own Lucid stock based on who owns it. Some large institutional investors may not be able to invest in the company, while others may balk at shares because of Saudi Arabia's human rights record. Additionally, others may view Lucid as too late to the game in the luxury EV space. Whatever the scenario, I think Lucid stock should be up much more on this news than it currently is. Still, the company has had its fair share of struggles, to be sure. In terms of production, pre-orders and forward-looking demand, Lucid's future is uncertain, and in this market, investors really don't like uncertainty. That could be another mitigating factor coming into play today. I think Lucid will need to really ramp up production in a meaningful way to see the kind of stock price bump many investors have been hoping for. There's plenty to like about the company's brand and its market positioning. However, right now, it's also true that this is a difficult stock for many investors to own. Thanks for watching.